In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to disable auto or automatic split screen in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. So here, we just have to navigate to the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on the settings. Through the settings, we just need to disable the multitasking. Okay, so by that, you just have to navigate here to the left pane. There you can see system, click on that one. The moment you've clicked on it, we just have to scroll down and there you can see the multitasking. Okay, so here at the snap windows, this option is very important because in order to disable the auto split screen, you need to ensure that this switch is off. Okay, so in your case, it is being on. That's why you have enabled the auto split screen. So by that, turn the switch off, and that way you would be able to disable the auto split screen. So close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.